Meaning of downriver.
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 Downriver. Downriver refers to the direction of flow in a river, moving towards its mouth or the ocean. It is the opposite of upriver, which means moving towards the source of the river. Going downriver can have economic, cultural, and environmental implications. Historically, transportation and trade often occurred along rivers, with goods being transported downriver to larger markets. However, pollution and ecosystem destruction caused by human activity can negatively impact downstream communities and wildlife. As such, responsible management of water resources is crucial for both economic and environmental sustainability.